Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a very easy but a highly effective home remedy to completely remove your dandruff within just one use of this home remedy. This home remedy contains only 3 ingredients which are really very powerful to completely remove your dandruff from your scalp and make your scalp healthy and dandruff free. So to prepare this home remedy, you firstly gonna need coconut oil, and here I'm using the Parachute 100% pure coconut oil. And you have to take approx 2 tablespoons coconut oil in a clean bowl, and then you have to just melt this coconut oil, and you can melt it with the help of a microwave or your gas stove. And after melting it, you have to take approx 2 tablespoons or 4 teaspoons coconut oil in a clean bowl. Now you have to add lemon juice in this coconut oil, and here I'm just squeezing half lemon in it. And after squeezing the lemon, you have to just give a good mix to both these ingredients to make a smooth mixture. And once both these ingredients are really nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the third ingredient, which is the curd or yogurt. But if you don't want to use the curd or yogurt, you can even stop here and use this mixture to remove the dandruff from your scalp. But I'm also adding curd or yogurt in this home remedy just to make it more powerful, so that it effectively works in removing your dandruff from your scalp in just one use of this home remedy. And as I said earlier, I'm using the curd and yogurt as its third ingredient. And you just need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons curd or yogurt in this mixture, and then mix everything really well to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your home remedy to remove dandruff completely from your hair scalp is ready, and it will look like this. And the method to apply this home remedy is very easy and simple. You just need to apply this hair mask nicely on your hair scalp, and then just leave it for 20 or 30 minutes. And after that, just wash your hair with normal water, and then shampoo and condition your hair as you normally do. And with just one use of this home remedy, you'll notice that your dandruff has completely gone and your hair scalp is much healthier than before. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.